Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over a custom-built gaming machine that we had. A customer went ahead and asked us to put this thing together for him. The machine itself, the specs are, it's got an i9 processor, which is really top of the line. It's the 7th generation. It's got two 1080 Ti graphics cards here. Those are actually 11 gigs a piece. Very nice graphics card. It's got the ROG Rampage 6 Asus motherboard in there, and it's also got the Vengeance 32GB memory, the DDR4. As you can see right here, it's glowing in there. We got a pretty cool RGB setup in here, so it lights up and changes colors all the time. You can actually set it however you want. If you want a certain color, you can do that as well. So if you have any questions as far as gaming or building any type of machines, you're more than welcome to give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.